have a scam review and I will help you to get a lottery prize of $1 million. How is this possible? I will tell you. $1 million Vax campaign. $1 million Vax campaign, which is created by philanthropy groups to encourage people to get vaccinated. And this initiative is handled by big firms on the plant and the end goal is noble. Unlike many promotions, this one is keeping silent about their donors because their only motive is to encourage people to make the right choices and that is the only thing that matters to them. Similar type of campaign also took place in OU, United States, and it goes without mentioning that it was a successful one. There are few things you need to know about this activity. And in order to apply for the lottery prize of $1 million, stick with me. As we all know that COVID-19 was a horrific thing that crumbled a lot of things last year. Till date, it hasn't been possible to fully eradicate and in few places still there have been restrictions. As we all know, restrictions are not the answer and the only real way to address the situation is by vaccines. While few people are not ready to get jabbed yet, people at the top are doing their best to encourage the public to get the vaccines on time. After all, there is no point in avoiding the inevitable, right? To get people excited and urge them into taking action, huge prizes are being announced. And to be eligible, the criteria is very simple. The participants just have to be vaccinated. $1 million Vax is an initiative taken by a few philanthropy groups to encourage the public into getting themselves vaccinated. They are fighting the COVID-19 pandemic in the most efficient way possible by spreading awareness about the vaccines. All the people that receive the jabs will be eligible to take part in the lottery scheme. The winner will be selected on November 5th, 2021. People do have to submit a few details on the official platform. Note that the conditions are fair and participants do not have to pay any money whatsoever. Basically, the whole thing is being done by the elite groups for the greater good. If you're someone who is getting vaccinated or already are, then feel free to try your luck. Who knows, you might be the big winner. The people behind $1 Million Vax Alliance are staying anonymous for the most part. Who do know that big names such as the Susan McKinnon Foundation, Jasper Foundation are involved? However, the entire list of donors cannot be trusted as the information is sparse. The general donors have been emphasis on the greater good and they are not looking to get any sort of credit. After gathering some information by online sources, we found a bit about their planning. Reward system was designed to include a big prize because they did not want to encourage people in the wrong way by offering the other things that can be categorized as harmful to health. Of course, there were cheaper options available, but it would not have been attention grabbing. Public loves promotion. After all, who does not like to try their luck and win something big? In OYO, the same type of campaign was received warmly by the people. Currently, $1 Million Vax is targeting people in Australia. So far, the response has been over expectations and participants are glad to do their part. Community resistance is slowly getting strong and at this phase, within a short period of time, the virus will be a thing of the past. Massive availability of doses along with incentives have been adequate reason for the public to get the jabs done as early as possible. Isn't it nice to see everyone working towards a common goal for a change? $1 Million Vax, as the name suggests, is literally a chance for participants to win $1 million just by getting themselves vaccinated and registering on the official portal. There is no cost involved to get your name on the board. Moreover, it is a win-win situation for you and everyone around here regardless of who wins the competition.